Next problem. Find the equations of the straight lines which make the following angles with the positive x-axis in the positive direction and which passes through the points given below. The first problem is pi by 3 and 1 comma 2. This is theta value. Given that theta is equal to pi by 3 and one point is there here which is x1, y1. So we are using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 to find the equation of the line. So first we are writing the given data here. Given that theta is equal to pi by 3 and the given point is 1 comma 2 which is taken as x1 y1. So theta is given. Theta from the theta value we are finding m value, that is m is equal to tan theta, and tan theta means tan pi by 3, tan 60 and tan 60 value root 3. Therefore equation of line is the formula y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Here one point is there and slope is there. So we are using this formula to find the equation of the line. That is y minus 2 is equal to root 3 into x minus 1. That is y minus 2 is equals to root 3x minus root 3. Now writing all the terms to single side, that is root 3x minus root 3 minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Converting these two numbers to that side, then those becomes minus 5 and this becomes plus 2, which implies the answer is root 3x minus y plus 2 minus root 3 is equals to 0. That's all. So in the second sum, given that theta is equal to 150 degrees and given point is x1 y1 is equal to minus 2 comma minus 1. Now from the theta value we are finding slope value, that is m is equal to tan theta and theta is equals to 150. This is tan 150 and 150 can be written as 180 minus 30. Tan of 180 minus theta minus tan theta second quadrant, that is minus tan 30, and tan 30 value 1 by root 3. Therefore equation of line is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Now substituting the values, y minus y1 value minus 1, minus of minus plus 1 is equals to m value minus 1 by root 3 into x minus x1, x1 value minus 2, minus of minus plus 2. Now taking the cross product, root 3 into y plus 1 is equal to minus of x plus 2. That is root 3y plus root 3 minus of x plus 2. Writing this minus of x plus 2 to this side, then it becomes plus x plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore the answer is x plus root 3y plus 2 plus root 3 is equals to 0. Next problem. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point minus 2 comma 4 and making non-zero intercepts whose sum is 0. So given that the equation of the line, we have to find the equation of the line which passes through the point minus 2 comma 4 and making non-zero intercepts. What are the intercepts of a line on the coordinate axis? Intercepts means a comma b. What is the given data? Making non-zero intercepts, that is a not equals to 0, b not equal to 0. These values are not equals to 0. Making non-zero intercepts and whose sum is equal to 0. That is given that a plus b is equal to 0. Making non-zero intercepts, both are not equal to 0 and whose sum equal to 0. That is a plus b is equal to 0. This is the given data. By using this condition, we find the equation of the straight line. So here we have the data in terms of a comma b. So we are taking the equation of the line as x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. And clearly given that a plus b is equal to 0, then what is the value of b? B is equal to minus a. Now we are substituting that b is equal to minus a in this equation. Then what we get? X by a plus y by minus a is equal to 1. By taking the LCM, it becomes x minus y is equal to a. Now this is the equation of the line. So it is enough to find the value of a to find the equation of the line. Now we are finding the value of a by using the given point. Now we are substituting this given point minus 2 comma 4 in this equation. In place of x we take minus 2 minus y, in place of y we write 4 is equals to a. Therefore the value of a is equal to minus 6. Now taking this minus 6 value here, then the equation of line is x minus y is equal to minus 6, then x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0, which is the required answer. This problem, first we are taking the equation of line as x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Here the given data is a plus b is equal to 0. For that we are considering this formula here. So given, next we write the given condition. Given condition is a plus b is equal to 0. Sum of the intercepts is equal to 0. That is a plus b is equal to 0, which implies the value of b is equal to minus a. Now taking this b is equal to minus a in the above equation, that is x by a plus y by minus a is equals to 1, which implies x by a minus y by a is equals to 1, which implies x minus y by a equals to 1, that is x minus y is equals to a. Now we want the value of a. For that we are replacing the given point in this equation. But x comma y is equals to minus 2 comma 4. But the line passes through the point minus 2 comma 4. Now replacing that point here, minus 2 minus 4 is equals to a. That is the value of a is equal to minus 6. Therefore equation of line is x minus y equals to a. That is x minus y is equal to minus 6. Therefore, x minus y plus 6 is equals to 0. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 3 comma minus 4 and making x and y intercepts which are in the ratio 2:3. So find the equation of the straight line. We want the equation of the line passing through the point 3 comma minus 4 and making intercepts which are in the ratio 2:3. X comma y intercepts. What are x comma y intercepts? A comma b. Given that intercepts are in the ratio 2:3. That is, given condition is a is to b is equal to 2:3. So here also we have the condition in terms of a comma b. So we are taking the equation of the line as x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now we are writing the given condition here. Given condition is a is to b is equal to 2:3. That is, we can take the values of a comma b as a is equals to 2p and b is equal to 3p. A is to b is equal to 2:3. That is, a is equal to 2p comma b is equal to 3p. Now we are substituting these two values in the line equation. That is, x by 2p plus y by 3p is equals to 1. Now taking LCM, 6p LCM. Now this is 3x plus 2p 3p. 2p is cancelled by 3 times here. Now 3 into x 3x. 3p is cancelled by 2 times 2 into 1. 2y equals to 1, which implies 3x plus 2y is equal to 6p. Now to find the value of the p, we are replacing the given point in this equation. That is, but x comma y is equals to 3 comma minus 4. Now substituting this point here, that is 3 into 3 plus 2 into minus 4 is equals to 6p, which implies 9 minus 8 is equal to 6p. Then the value of 6p is equal to 1. Now we are replacing the 6p is equal to 1 value in this equation. Therefore equation of line is 3x plus 2y is equal to 6p. That is, 3x plus 2y is equals to 1. That's all. Since 6p is equal to 1, we are replacing that value here. 3x plus 2y is equal to 1.